Have you ever heard of a double or even a triple negation? Because that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Even though it may seem hard, confusing, etc., I will break it down to you so by the end of this video you will be able to actively use it or at least understand it. In the first part of this video, I'm gonna take you on a short walk in my neighborhood and I will be commenting what I see using a double negation. And then we will break it down in English. And in the second part, we're gonna talk about the triple negation. I'm gonna use the same sentences and transform them in the triple negation. Before watching this video, I highly recommend you to watch that video first, where I explain how to form a negation in Czech. Because today we will focus only on the double and the triple negation. Of course, if you don't understand anything, I provide a transcript and a translation available to all my patrons. Feel free to subscribe using a link down below. Hi everyone, I'm Tereza and welcome to my channel. So let's get started. Do centra Prahy jezdím tramvají. Nejezdím autem. Nikdy nejezdím autem do centra. Chodím na procházky odpoledne nebo večer. Nikdy nechodím na procházky ráno. Třídím odpad. Vždy házím plast do plastu, do plastového kontejneru a papír do kontejneru na papír. Nikdy neházím plast do papírového kontejneru a nikdy neházím papír do plastového kontejneru. Tohle je večerka, takový malý supermarket. Já nikdy nenakupuju ve večerce. Nakupuju vždy v supermarketu. Jsou tady lavičky? Ne, tady nikde nejsou lavičky. Tady nikde nejsou turisti. Tady se staví nové budovy. Tady není nic zajímavého. Kde jsou všichni? Tady nikdo není. Jsem tu sama. Za mnou nic není. Za mnou je jen pole. Je tady volné sedadlo. Nikdo tady nesedí. Dnes je neděle a nemám nic v plánu. Dnes nechci nic dělat. Tady je volné parkovací místo, ale nikdo tady neparkuje. As you can observe, creating a double negation is quite simple. You have to have the normal negation in the start, so nejezdím autem, and you add something else. For example, nikdy nejezdím autem do centra. I never don't go by car to the city center. Nikdy neparkuju v Praze. I never park in Prague, but literally I never ever don't park in Prague. Tady nejsou nikde lavičky. There are no benches here, but literally there aren't no benches here. Or a typical one, nemám nic v plánu. I have no plans, but literally I don't have no plans. Tady nikdo neparkuje. So we really emphasize it. We have the word for it, so we use it. So don't be afraid to use this. At least you'll be familiar with this formation and how it works. Now let's see the triple negation. And just a small comment on these four words. Nikdy, nikde, nikdo, nic. Nikdy and nikde, you can see it here in my other video. They sound very similar, so be careful about the pronunciation. Nikdy, nikde. So these two are so-called negative adverbs. And of course there are more, and you will encounter them little by little, but I chose these two specifically because they are what we used most often when we use the double negation. And then we have nikdo, nic, and these are so-called negative pronouns. And of course, again, you will hear more because there are like 8 of them or 6. So don't worry. For now, you just need to know these 2 because they're the most common as well. Oh, by the way, have you ever noticed why we say voda and sometimes vodu or even vodo? The changes of these endings are called the cases, and in the Czech language we have a whole lot of them. However, instead of memorizing these long lists of grammar charts that can be pretty boring and that can discourage you pretty quickly to learn Czech, I have a better idea for you. I created my Simplified Czech Cases course where you will master the system of Czech cases in a practical and engaging method through short stories. You will start using Czech cases in context rather than by learning isolated phrases. The link to my course is down below, so go check it out. Now we will transform the sentences in the previous part into a triple negation. So I had to modify them slightly so it still makes sense, but we will get to the meaning later on. Just focus on the sentences right now. Nikdy nikdo nejezdí autem do centra. Nikdy nikdo nechodí na procházku ráno. Tady nikdy není nic zajímavého. Tady nikdy nikdo není. Tady nikdy nikdo nesedí. Nikdy nemám nic v plánu na neděli. Nikdy nechci nic dělat. Tady nikdy nikdo neparkuje. It may seem like an exaggeration. Tady nikdo nikdy neparkuje. Here, nobody never parks their car. And of course in English it's nobody parks their car here. Ever. But we use it in Czech, so just get used to it. Or the other one, nikdy nemám nic v plánu na neděli. I never don't have no plans on Sunday. I never have plans on Sunday, of course. Tady nikdo nikdy nesedí. Nobody ever sits here, but as you can guess, nobody doesn't sit here never. So if we recap, we have tady parkuju auto. Normal sentence. Tady neparkuju auto. I don't park my car here. Tady nikdy neparkuju auto. I never park my car here. Tady nikdo nikdy neparkuje. Nobody never doesn't park their car here. Let's see another example. Tady sedím. I'm sitting here. Tady nesedím. Tady nikdy nesedím. Tady nikdy nikdo nesedí. That's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and it was valuable to you. Let me know in the comment section if by now you understand the process, how to form the double and triple negation, and let me know your feedback in general. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Ciao!